Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Hampton local and long-distance movers near me. Relocation between places with a distance of over 50 miles is a long-distance relocation. 3 men and a truck is capable and very experienced to help you map out your long-distance moves. We have a great working relationship with authorities that oversee relocation. Thus, we have every certification to move belongings regardless of distance. One thing you also never need to worry about is our trucks breaking down. Our maintenance culture is high, so our vehicles are always in excellent condition. In addition, at 3 men in a truck, we care a lot about your belongings. Thus, we have insurance that covers your belongings in inevitable situations of loss or damage. Relocations with distances shorter than 50 miles are local movements. The reduced distance does not reduce the need for professional movers. Hampton can sometimes be quite jam-packed, but our drivers know the best routes around town and outside the city. It means your belongings are not at risk of getting stuck on the road. They get to you very fast. We offer the most affordable prices for our local movements. Our local moves cost between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hampton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.